Good evening, friends. We are starting new series this week on issuance of summon, inspection, search, seizure, and arrest provision under GST. We have seen in recent times search and seizure proceedings, including arrest, happening pan-India. Quite obvious, a number of tax evasion cases are coming out. But at the same time, the fire of search and seizure proceedings is also going on honest taxpayer. So as a tax consultant and as a taxpayer, you must know all the provision pertaining to summon, search, seizure and arrest to safeguard and defend your case. In this week and in this capsule, we are discussing the provision pertaining to summon, who can issue to whom and in what circumstances, and what are the important provisions you must know whenever you get any summon from the department. Section 70 of CGST Act talks about summon can be issued by any proper officer, and it can be issued to any person whose presence is important, either to get evidence or document or things which is important for any inquiry, and such inquiry to be handled in same manner as a civil court under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, and such inquiries are being considered as a judicial proceedings under section 193 and section 228 of Indian Penal Code. Now, this summon which is being issued can be issued by any proper officer. Who is the proper officer? Section 2 subsection 91 of CGST Act define proper officer in relation to the function to be performed under GST law. Its commissioner or any other officer who is being assigned function by the commissioner. So, any commissioner or any other officer who is being assigned in relation to the function performed under GST law is a proper officer. He can issue summon. What are the things you must know whenever you get summon? Kindly check whether that summon which is being issued under section 70 of CGST Act is having DIN number or not. Document identification number. As per the CGST provision, you know the circular number 122 and then subsequently amended by circular number 128 dated 23rd December 2019. It is compulsory, mandatory to quote DIN number, document identification number, in all communication by CGST department. This provision is not applicable from SGST perspective. Only Kerala SGST department has issued circular. So on line of CGST circular, Kerala SGST department has said that quoting of DIN number, document identification number, on all communication, including summon, even the email communication, there must be DIN number. If DIN number is not quoted, then such document to be considered void in nature, and you should not respond back to such letter or communication, including summon issued by the CGST department. So quoting of DIN number is mandatory as per the circular number 122 read with 128 by CGST department. Since GST is a one nation, one tax, we all expect that this kind of circular which is issued by CGST department must be issued by all other states, including Kerala, which they have done it. Kerala is the leading one. So all other state must issue such circular so that the authenticity of any inquiry or inspection initiated by the department can be substantiated. This DIN number is very, very important. In exceptional cases where DIN number is not quoted, within 15 days as per this circular need to be regularized. So you must take a precaution that if someone is coming to you and that too without DIN number, it must be regularized within 15 days of its issuance. That's what the circular says. So summon can be issued by any proper officer to any person wide power given to the government and government officials, where evidence of that person is important either to get evidence or any document or things which he may possess and important for conducting inquiry as similar manner of civil code and a code of civil procedure. This was all pertaining to summon. We will create number of other capsule like when inspection can be done by government officials, when search can be undertaken, what are the precautions you must know as a taxpayer and tax consultant, and when arrest can be done by the GST officials, and what are the offences which is called as non-bailable offences and bailable offences. Keep watching, stay tuned. Number of capsule on the subject matter which we are discussing will come to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.